Hey guys, it's Felicia. So welcome back to my channel. So right now I am doing another tutorial for I-dle and for their new song Whistle. So right now I'm filming an hour after their music video has been posted, and I want to teach you guys the chorus, the choreography of the chorus. But the problem is that the last 4 beats of the chorus is not shown in the music video. And so I was thinking, oh, we'll just wait until one of the music bank or one of the music shows that they have, they'll perform at and then teach you guys. And most of the music shows are typically on Saturdays and Sunday, and today is a Tuesday. So we would wait a long time. And basically it's just 4 counts we're missing. With that being said, I wanted to teach you guys as soon as possible. So I improvised the last 4 beats, and just know that afterwards I will post an updated tutorial and show you guys the last 4 beats once we see the last 4 beats coming out. And remember, this video, I'm just going straight through the choreography, so be sure to pause, replay, do what you need to do so you can learn this choreo. But anyways, let's get this tutorial started. Don't forget that this is mirrored, and that you will watch me as you're looking at the camera. So let's get started. So first, your left hand is kind of like it's like propped on someone's shoulder, very elegantly, you know? So you're here, and then your right foot is going to come out like this, because it's like hoo, hoo, hoo. So it's like one and that. It comes out and in. So with this, your left hand's coming out, right hand's up like I'm an elegant person. Remember, this is all elegance here. Okay, so your arm is perched, and then right here your right comes 1 and 2. So it goes 1 and 2 like this. So it comes across your face and then back and down. So it kind of goes with, so it kind of parallels what your leg is doing. It's like 1 and 2. Okay. So we're here, hoo, hoo, hoo. And then from afterwards, so we're here, we go 1 and 2, and then afterwards, you bring your hands together, kind of like this, and then you bring your right leg back, and you kind of do, so you stick like your right hip out, you come up, down, up. It comes here, so we're here, after we do hoo, 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 then it's a hoo, 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 hoo. It's like a 1 and 3 waves, if you want to count it like that. So we go 1 and 2, hit it, 1 and 2, like that. That's how we count it. So we'd be like hoo, 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 hoo. I apologize, my singing is crap. So after we go hoo, 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 we step out with our right and do a little wave with our right arm. Same with our left, and then we come in. Your left comes in, like kind of out and in. So your arms do another kind of wave, and then your left leg is the one that's being propped up like this. I kind of feel like I'm like a bird, you know? Okay. We go right, left, and prop. Good? And from here, she says a little rap. Gosh, I forgot the lyrics already. But it's like, it's 4 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here again, I'll do it. Choriga, I think. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll say it with the ands. So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. From here we go 4 and. That's what Sujin does. These 4 counts, I'm not 100% sure that's what the entire group does, but that's what Sujin does in the music video. So I apologize because this is done in such of a fast manner, but I wanted to show you guys as soon as possible. So anyways, we'll move on. We'll go from here again and then move on. So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then from here our arms are crossed. Next step, I'm crossing my left hand over with my right. It's kind of like a cupping thing, but it'll be going so fast. It's kind of like a flower, I guess, like this, you know, if you can kind of get a sense of where my hands are. But from here, we're gonna go, so we're rotating kind of like, just like 1, 2, but it's a clockwise motion, okay? So it's left to right, left to right. So from here, it's 1 and 2, okay? They go down and then automatically, second turn, bring it up. Got it? So we just came from the arm wave back, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. After 1 and 2, you go ahead and do another turn, like another hip swivel with your arms up here, and then your fourth turn, we're gonna bring our arms down, like, I don't know, like you're falling, and then we're looking to the right, okay? So it goes here, come up, and do one more, and look to the side, to your right. So after we come down, it's a really quick, cool, it's like, you know how, I guess Egyptians, that's how I kind of thought of it when I first saw the music video, I kind of do this. So it's kind of like that, but it's a really quick left on top, and right. Okay, so we're going to look at the right, and then whoop, and then we'll do a little pop. It's like a really subtle pop. It's a really subtle pop. You come pop when you hit on the right. So again, I'll show you fall in, and then left, right, pop, and then afterwards we'll step out with our right foot. Excuse me. So afterwards we'll step out with our right foot. So when our right leg steps out, we go out and we bring it back. So they mirror each other. So we're going out here, and then from here we do right, left. The hips go right, left. And that is it for the tutorial. And then there's 4 counts left in the chorus where we have no idea what they're doing. But I just have a feeling it's something similar to what they did. It's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But you go ahead and improvise however you'd like. Like I said, I will be doing an updated tutorial. Okay, so yeah, like I said, that is it for the choreo that they have shown from the music video, and I'll do it in 3 parts. We'll do the counts, we'll do 75%, and then we'll go full. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is my really quick tutorial, guys. Hope you guys were able to learn HANN or whistle as fast as possible. This is super quick. I learned it as fast as possible and taught it as fast as possible. So hopefully you guys are able to learn and show your friends how to dance to HANN or whistle. So make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. And comment down below maybe what tutorials to come up next. Sometimes I'll be doing more of the newer ones. Sometimes I'll be doing more maybe like concert ones that they don't really show or teach. So be checking on that. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to see what my other tutorials or other videos will be coming up. And my Instagram for my dance covers is felicia.covers. Make sure you guys go check it out. It really helps me a lot with your support, and I'm so excited that I learned this. This song is actually so good, so I love it. Hopefully you guys loved it too, and I'll see you guys in the updated version. Alrighty, bye!